Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing what does being plant-based mean. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. So being plant-based means that you follow a diet based primarily on plant foods with limited to no animal-derived products. It does not mean that you are vegan or vegetarian. I know that I've been seeing a lot online that you just assume you're a vegan or vegetarian under the plant-based umbrella, but that is not true. Being a vegan means completely eliminating animal-derived foods of all kinds 100% of the time, and you abstain from animal products for ethical reasons. Being vegetarian means you don't eat meat, fish, and poultry, but you do consume eggs and or dairy. Now, a whole foods plant-based diet consists of consuming whole foods instead of highly processed foods and eating mostly plant foods. So this means that 90% or more of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, herbs and spices, and 10% of animal products such as poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, and dairy. So there isn't a one-size-fits-all diet. Clearly, everyone is different and requires their own personalized nutritional needs. The most important thing I want you guys to understand is that food is your medicine. You are what you eat. So I hope this clarifies what exactly plant-based means. And I hope you will have a great day. Take care. Bye.